Okay, I'm just going to look for, this is like off the top of my head too. I just finished the last video. We're going to look over this one and see if there's anything that comes up. So if you look, you should be able to answer these questions with the videos I just showed you. So notice it says does not include duplicate. Write a query that will generate combined list of customers and not include the duplicate customer record. So what that means is it shouldn't show up in there twice. And then this one will include the duplicates. So what it's saying is that he'll show up twice. This is the one where it only shows the ones that are in both. And this is, one minus to take away the other. So use minus on that one. Pretty straightforward. So let's look at the rest. So this should be kind of a review for you. You should know how to use aggregate functions and stuff to do that. This one, you just kind of have to know about the way Oracle works. Obviously, there's a thing called user tables, a table called user tables. It will show all your tables. Just look it up. That should be in your book somewhere. Let's see what these techniques I show you to display the output in the following format. Oh, okay. So I need to show you those techniques, which I haven't done yet. That'll be another video. And let's see what else we got here. If you do not find a question, okay. Yeah, I'll show you a little bit about what I was talking about here. I think I'll just show you this one, actually, since I can't be in class to show you how to do things, but I'll explain how it works. So, I don't know what I'm going to call this video, but this is the end of this video, and in the next one I'll show you how that number 7 works.